Hello everyone and welcome back to my video.
Comprehensive Enclosed Space Entry Procedure. 1. General Entry Procedure. Follow the enclosed space entry procedure systematically to ensure safety. Control entry through permit to work, PTW, systems. 2. Before entry procedure space preparation. Ensure the space is clean and free of hazards. For COT entry, tank cleaning is mandatory. For untreated water ballast tanks, WBT, allow 48 hours after chemical treatment before entry. Risk assessment. Use generic risk assessments developed by the management company. Ensure other maintenance work does not compromise the procedures of safe entry. Consider hazards like oxygen deficiency, presence of nitrogen or inert gas, and others hazards like toxicity. Follow fumigation safety guidelines as per MSC.1, Circ.1358 for treated spaces and adjacent areas wherever applicable. Atmospheric testing. Stop ventilation for 10 minutes before testing the pre-permit issuance check. There are basically few steps of checking. 1 is check before issuing permit. Note 2 is just before entry into enclosed space and that there are checks while the personnel are inside the enclosed space. Check oxygen levels which must be 20.9%, flammable gases that must be less than 1% LEL, and toxic gases based upon last cargo or content presence. Use calibrated gas meters to check the environment. Weather and simultaneous work. Confirm weather is suitable for the entire entry period. Ensure no other jobs interfere with entry safety procedures and rescue operations. If necessary to work inside enclosed space, there might be needed separate permits for doing so. Isolation and ventilation. Isolate energy sources and pipelines. Lockout and tagout system need to practice, so that misunderstanding can be avoided. Ensure continuous mechanical ventilation with portable fans or built-in systems. Achieve at least 2 full air exchanges before entry is appreciated to ensure a safe environment. Emergency and safety equipment. Prepare equipment, including SCBA, resuscitators, gas meters, EEBDs, harnesses, flashlights, rescue equipment like hoisting winch including lifelines. Check the readiness and safety of all equipment. Ensure intrinsically safe tools and equipment are used. Notifications and documentation. Inform OOW, Bridge, ECR, CCR as applicable before entry. Post an entry TAG at all access points. Complete the before entry checklist sincerely. 3. Pre-entry personal check toolbox talk and familiarization. Conduct a toolbox talk covering hazards, risk assessments, and emergency evacuation protocols. Test communication and ensure personnel are trained and equipped for emergencies. Equipment check. Test SCBA sets, including air pressure, alarms, and masks. Ensure all participants have proper PPE, gas meters, harnesses, and intrinsically safe lights. Initial gas testing. As I told before, an initial gas check is prerequisite before issuing entry permit subject to free of hazardous gas and safe for entry. During testing the fan must be stopped to ensure a proper checking of gases. Complete the company permit to work system for entry into enclosed space. Checklist completion. Complete the pre-entry personal checks and carry the pocket gas meter to monitor multi-gas in a continuous basis. 4. During entry procedure control and monitoring. Post entry TAG notices at all access points. Ensure ventilation remains operational and maintain frequent atmosphere checks like every 30 minutes or less. Record gas readings and monitor for any deviations. Communication must be tested between link man who will observe the job without getting entry into enclosed space and the entry team leader. Safety parameters. Withdraw personnel if ventilation stops or safety parameters compromised from agreed limits. Remember, permit becomes invalid under unsafe conditions. Notifications and closure of entry permit. Inform OOW and remove the Entry TAG notice. Responsible officer must close permit to work by following the same permit to work checklist. Hope this comprehensive guide will help you in practical onboard life.
For more videos, subscribe Sailor 360 and stay connected.